You know what me I say? Big man thing. I not hide and talk when me I talk this. You see what me I say? Me I make it be known straight. You see some of them people there, what you see, I come and try to friend you out. Them have a plan for you. I mean I warn people out there. It might sound like crap, but it is not crap. Because don't trust your family, don't trust your neighbor, don't trust who you call friend, because the man are your friend. You see what me I say? Straight talk. The man are your friend. Because in the ghetto, or in your community and you try, and the same people them. Me not curse people in our communities no, you know. But some of them not, some of them bad mind because boy you go did it. You see me? So me I say, whether you're a man, woman, boy or girl, just be careful of your very own. Your family tell you that. The Bible tell you that, not your family. The Bible tell you that, mistake make on that. The Bible tell you that. You see me? Do you not trust your one? So me say, yo, if you somebody were progressive all the while, that's what I say, progressive, and you have the potential to do good, don't make them stop you. That's what I say, because when nothing not going, nobody don't know you, and nobody don't see you. Like how me I try to push out my thing them on YouTube and Instagram, you see me? Because when me I push for me I do my thing, me I get a fight there, but me not give up, you see me? But me no want a friend from nobody with this me. Me I make them make it be known. I told me know me a PMP and me know enough of them a pray me and them not like me. Me no want a friend from nobody when not like me. And me no want a friend from nobody with this me. And that me say, because me know these people. You see me? So me don't want no friend from nobody where this me. And all of who we are carrying news behind my back. Don't bother feel like I don't know uno. And all of who we are plot against me and say me own blood. Don't think I don't know so I do that. In God I put my trust. I don't trust man. So I tell you fellows, people out there, yeah, we all must come together and live as one, you know, the Father side. But the Bible says you must forgive, but don't forget. That's what I say. So when a man diss you, and I try to friend you, don't get caught up in a trap. I see some of them church people there, where you see I go to church, where I bring news to and from, to criminals and bad people. Don't trust them. Because them talk a thing, and then just want you to say something, and then you take on to it and then your name call. You see what I say? When me I say, don't trust some of them people that go to church. Because some of them mix up in all kind of something. And burden and this come down upon them. So you hear them talk about God. But when everybody will say, Lord, Lord, Him will help them. Sometimes the good Lord make judgment take you for a reason. You see me? Make you feel it. Make you feel how it feel when you are trying to set up somebody do something. So be careful of these people who are trying to friend you and hurt you. That's what I say. Don't trust no one but the Most High. You see me? Because that's a lot of people put them trust in a wealth. You see me? Vanity of the world. Which everybody want money and car and house. But not everybody have it. Not care how bright you is, how brilliant you is, how talented you is. There's somebody there to stop you. You might get a little but not all. You see me? So, take my foolish advice. Do not friend people with this you. You see me? And when them come to friend you, do not talk to them. Leave them alone. Because you have wicked young girl, wicked young boy, wicked big man or woman. Because you have some big man. Them send people for thief. Them send people for thief for them. You see me? So I'm not trust some big man and some big woman neither. So just be careful of the people and where you deal with and say, you're my friend. Those are the ones who will come and broke your foot. Remember, I see the bloodline thing. Not trust nobody in that neither. Because them are the one to help you kill you quicker too. Be careful. Be careful, you hear me? I want to know. Be careful.